be very careful. You have to look at this. You cannot scratch the LCD. You can see the plastic here. So when you slide the LCD out, you have to be real careful. You have to pull and push from the other side. Then you make sure the plastic don't make contact with the LCD screen when you slide it out. So slide it out like this, pull this side right here and here, and slide out. To get the touch panel out is really easy. You just start from one corner. It's okay to use your fingernails or you use a knife, but you gotta do it careful because you don't want to break the glass and hurt yourself. So it's better to stop. Okay. Just need to do it slowly. Just take your time. See, just do it bit by bit, and then you can take the whole touch panel out like this. See that? After you take out the broken one, you put the new one in. Just put it back like this. Make sure the ribbon cable is on the other side of the webcam. Like this. The webcam cable is on this side, webcam is on this side on the frame. Now the new touch panel is on, so we want to slide the LCD back into the frame. You slide it in on this side first. Make sure there's a little dust on the screen. Watch out the ribbon cable, you don't want to damage it. And look out for this end here, you don't want to break it also when you're sliding the LCD in. Just keep an eye on it. Just do it slowly. And Okay, before you slide the LCD screen all the way in, you gotta be careful. Right here, you see the plastic. When you slide it in, you have to be careful, otherwise the LCD screen will be scratched. So the way to do it is, when you slide it in, you have to pull it a little bit and slide, pull and slide. So make sure the screen make no contact with the plastic underneath. Just do it slowly. And watch the wire here. You don't want to break it. Okay. Oh, yeah, so you have to be careful with this ribbon cable. I need to get it out and get inside. So just do it gently. Okay. Now I'm going to bend this a little bit and the screen will pop in. That. Now we can put the motherboard back on. Only 3 screws. First one. Okay, now the motherboard is secure, and then we're going to put the touch panel ribbon cable in. Make sure it is all the way in and lock it, and then the LCD ribbon cable. Yeah. Make sure you barely see the gold contact. That means it's all the way in. If you cannot see the gold contact. Okay, let's lock it. Okay. And then we can put the tape back on. Here. This is the webcam. This is the Wi-Fi antenna. You want to put it right here. Okay. And the battery. You're going to need to put some double side tape here. So the battery won't move. So like this. So it's done. The last step is just put the back cover on. So just put the button back on. This is the volume control button. This is power button. Okay, hold it in like this so the button won't drop, and then you grab the tablet. So do it like this. Okay, it's ready.